Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the Hero Maestro Edge is charged and running current firmware. This prevents pairing failures. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone or controller and close competing Bluetooth apps so nothing intercepts the handshake. Power the Maestro Edge, then hold it within 3 meters of your device. Now press and hold the device's pairing button for the specified seconds until the LED indicates pairing mode. This forces the only supported Bluetooth discovery path. You now perform the pairing sequence step by step so the link establishes cleanly. On your phone or controller, open Bluetooth scanning. Select the Hero Maestro Edge entry when it appears. If a PIN prompt appears, type the default shown on the device or enter the standard code. This authenticates the connection. Keep both units still during negotiation. Moving them can drop packets. Once you hear the confirmation tone and the LED stabilizes, the devices have exchanged keys and trust is established. You finish by verifying the connection inside any companion app or system Bluetooth settings so audio and control routes correctly. Once done, test a simple action like play/pause to confirm responsiveness. Make sure latency is acceptable. If pairing stalls longer than 20 seconds, restart both devices and repeat the pairing button hold. This clears transient states. If problems remain, perform a Bluetooth module factory reset on the Hero Maestro Edge, then repeat the sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.